What's up, buds? My name's Derek. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own designer face mask. The mask I'm going to show you in this video in no way replaces an N95 mask. Obviously those are the best if you can get your hands on that, but anything cotton or anything that you can cover your face with if you do have to go out in public is better than nothing. So alright, buds, first thing you're going to want to do is lay your bandana out flat on the table, flip it over so the front is facing the bottom, and then grab one end and fold that halfway into the middle. Once that's good, you're going to do the same thing on the other side. After those are both good, grab your coffee filter and lay it out flat in the middle of your bandana. Once your filter is in the spot that you want it, you can go ahead and grab one side of the bandana, fold it halfway into the middle over the coffee filter, and then you're going to do the same thing with the other side. After your coffee filter is secure, you can go ahead and grab an elastic. You're going to do this for both ends, but you're just sliding it down into the middle until you can feel the coffee filter in the middle. Okay, and then you can flip the end over into the middle. This elastic is going to end up going around your ear. Then same thing with the other side. And then it doesn't matter which end you grab, but you can go ahead and fold it into the middle, creating a seamless fold. This is all you need for a simple mask, but to see how I made the Louis Vuitton mask, keep watching. So grab a piece of canvas. I'm just using canvas out of this old pencil bag. So you can cut it up. I used the whole side of the front of the bag, and then you're gonna get ready to paint. The paint I'm using is in raw umber. I'll leave it linked down in the description below. This step is optional, but so I made sure the paint wouldn't go through to my table. I just laid a piece of paper towel down. Next, go ahead and cover the entire canvas with the raw umber color. This is gonna be the base of your mask. Boom, bam. Next, you're good to grab your stencils. I went ahead and pre-took like the little pieces of the stencils off, but lay the vinyl onto the canvas and then hit it with a hair dryer, blow dryer, whatever you have, but this is gonna make it stick better and make the painting easier. An optional step is to paint it white first so that the pop of the little tan color that you need is gonna show up better against the contrast of the dark brown. And I did this off camera, but go ahead and start placing the mask onto your face, and then you can create a mold and just see how it fits better to your face. And then once you have it in a good shape, you can go ahead and duct tape it and then duct tape the elastics.